Hi, this is Katura with BlueNotary, and today we're going to be looking at the revocation of power of attorney form. The people involved in assigning of this form are the principal, the person who gave power of attorney, and we're going to need witnesses showing that the power of attorney is being taken away. So here in this section, we want to make sure that everything is filled out appropriately. We want to make sure that they have the date and their signature. The revocation is going to be witnessed. So we want to do our research and make sure we have the appropriate amount of witnesses for this document. For this document, it is 2. The person's name, the principal's name, is going to go here, and they're going to note the date of this revocation of power of attorney. They're going to sign and put their addresses. Now, on the second page is our notary acknowledgement. We're then going to sign and print our name, put our commission, and add our seal. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.